Casper's Auto Adventures.
There we go. It needs to be according to the hose. There we go. I knew that was going to happen. That is a lot of fluid coming out of that. Get that off of there. Alright. So here's going to be the fun part. Okay, I need a pair of channel locks here. Gets his washer off. Yeah, maybe. What size was that? A 12?
Out of that size?
No, not that I'm aware of.
I was like, I can get you like a little plastic container if you want something.
No, I have to free the bolt of these washers before I can go any further.
You said the brake fluid is pretty decent in this car, right? You don't recommend swapping it out?
The what?
The fluid? It's good?
It's good.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You think that's a waste of money? Well, don't fix it if it ain't broke, right?
Right. Alright, that's off. I can take that whole thing out at once. Alright, that's good. Oh crap, it's one of those. Alright. Alright, so brake clean this down a little bit. Get it all dried up. There we go. Let that rinse off. There we go. I wanted to take it off as one assembly, but because of the bracket bolt being the way it is, I kind of can't do it. Everything's coming with this thing new. There's the caliper, the old one. Just kind of set it down there. I'm going to take the pads out. The pads are going to be reused. Nothing wrong with them. Comes with new hardware. I'll put the caliper part number in here in a minute from AutoZone. There we go. That's better. Jeez. Alright, that's off. The banjo bolt hole. There we go. That's good enough that I can see what's going on. I bracket caliper bolts off this. It's gonna be on this one. It's gonna be an 11 millimeter. So we're gonna get this done. Alright, there we go with that one. I'm going to slip a lug nut on this to keep the rotor in place.
No. Yeah, I understood it. Yeah, I know what's going on. Don't worry, I got you. Alright, I'll talk to you. Alright, goodbye. Yeah, I got it showing tomorrow, showing Wednesday. This real estate's still busy, man. It's good. Let's see if I want to put this freaking thing on so I can actually see it here.
We'll lube these up. This is a Fama lube. Or you can just come off like that. It don't really matter as long as you come off.
Hey, can't complain, right?
That's why I didn't want to cooperate. Alright. Now let's get the caliper on. Shoot. That's what I forgot to do. Get the bleeder valve, dust boot off. Get it loose.
Get that goosey nice and loosey.
Not touching it. Alright, that's good. Come back with a 10mm.
I'm probably just gonna drop that car off today.
Alright, bleeder screw is now loose. Another thing that I wanted to do before I go installing anything. So now what I'm going to do is take the caliper back off. Brake pads are on. Now we're going to put the caliper back on. Kind of reversed my work there. So you guys out there in the YouTube world can be critical. Opinions vary based on community politics. Alright, there we go. Now, get the banjo boat on. And again, got one washer that goes underneath the brake hose. Which, well, yeah, I gotta do this like this. Because I thought it's not gonna go right. So, get your banjo boat through there. Then get the other washer on there. And then go ahead and put it in. Which sounded completely unprofessional, but you know. Great. Alright, there we go. Alright, so it's at the top right now. I'm going to spin it around. It's probably going to go around twice. Yeah, it is. I'm going to put it around one more time. There's the mark. There we go. A little more, there we go. Alright. I'm gonna crack the bleeder. Well, first I need to undo that. Crack the bleeder. Just kind of let it gravity bleed. Can I borrow your bathroom?
Yeah.
While that does that. Check that out. See anything?
The oil leaking out?
That's, yep.
Why?
Because it's supposed to.
Oh. I was like waiting for the, yeah, that's not supposed to be like that.
No,
so
that's exactly what it's supposed to.
that's good. I like that.
So,
This is just what happens when you don't take care of your cars, people.
alright, so what I need you to do, hop in here.
Yep. Oh, you need the keys, right? Because we
Gotta pump them.
yep, little pump and dump. You may turn it on again, right? Because
Yeah. Alright, go ahead and pump it. Hold on 1 second. Go and pump it 3 times and hold it. Do it again. Do it again. Alright, what's going on, folks? This is the post video to the 05 Outback. It's an LL Bean. Both front calipers are now done. Banjo bolt holes were marked. I'm going to get that in the video as much as possible. Both holes were marked, bled properly. He's got pipe on. Yeah. Adios till next time, folks.
Thank you for watching.